Today I'm going to talk about money. Money is everybody's favorite topic. And today I'm going to share a technique which I used last month in January to attract 8 crore in 30 days. How did I do it? What is the technique? Hi, my name is Indu Khatri, and me and my husband Videsh Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and author of this book, The Law of Attraction. I'm a hope no person, so I'm going to share hope no. So what I did, so we were moving to Dubai, and I wanted. We were quite focused on moving to Dubai, finding home, and other things. So the focus on work was little less as compared to the focus we generally have at work. And our belief is that when we have less focus on work, the work goes down. And this month, I did not want that to happen. So I thought, how will I compensate? I said, let me compensate with hope, no for money. What did I do? For all 30 days, I chanted hope no for money 108 times. I have those beads mala. I use that. I chanted every day morning. I chanted 108 times hope no for money. What did I do? Hope no technique? It's a Hawaiian technique. It's a super powerful technique which has 4 sentences. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. How do you use this for money? Very simple. Say, I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. And I love you, money. I did this for 108 times for 30 days just to keep my business on track, just to keep my income flow on track so that my being defocused from work doesn't impact my business, my revenue, my profit. Why am I saying that you should do hope no for money? How it works? You must be thinking, ma'am, ये 4 sentences बोलने से क्या होने वाला है? मैं बताती हूँ क्या होने वाला है. Whatever is the situation in your life of money, whether you are rich or you're poor, you have less money, somebody cheated you, somebody took money, not given it back to you, whatever is the source of money, if you are not getting it, you have attracted that situation. You have manifested that situation. I know you must be feeling, मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ मैम, मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ मैम. No, you have done it. Trust me, whatever happens in our life, we are responsible for it. We attract it, we manifest it. Now the good news is, since we manifested it, we can change it, right? So this 4 sentences, I'm sorry money, please forgive me money, thank you money, and I love you money, helps you take the responsibility of that situation of money, and it helps you clear that situation completely and makes the path of money open so that money starts coming into your life. So that this way you're taking responsibility of current situation of money in your life. Once you take responsibility in your mind also, you are not justifying it. Once you take responsibility, you are saying, okay, I did it, I'm ready to correct it now. As simple as that. And then you start chanting, it will clear your path and money will start flowing into you. Now, you must be thinking, how does it work? We have discussed that why I'm asking you to say sorry. Very simple. Let's take an example. Money is your friend, say, okay? And when you and your friends... say when you have an argument with a friend, or maybe you had a small fight with a friend, what do you do? You go and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. And then the person says, it's okay. Then you say, thank you, I love you, right? So what happened? That friend has come back in your life. That argument got dissolved and that friend has come back in your life. Treat money like a friend. I always say that in my earlier videos also. I said, I treat money like a friend. I treat money like a close friend of mine. So when you are not treating money like a friend and you're just very carelessly giving money to a friend, then this situation gets attracted. So by doing this, I'm sorry money, please forgive me money, thank you money, and I love you money, you're actually telling money as a friend that I love you, be in my life. Thank you so much for being there. And I'm sorry for not treating you properly, not taking 100% responsibility of it. But now I'm ready to take 100% responsibility. And I'm ready to treat you like a close friend of mine. So I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I did that. You try it out, okay? What do? Very simple. Take a mala. Or if you don't want to take a mala, don't worry about it. No need to count also. Just do it. When you start doing it, you will see that money frequency getting really streamlined in your life. Money will start coming in. And be present, okay? Be present. How you are getting money. Don't be कि मेरे को 1 लाख रुपए चाहिए थे, 1 लाख रुपए नहीं है, मैम मुझे सिर्फ 5 रुपए है. Even if you get 5 rupees, even if somebody gives you a cup of coffee as free, or maybe a small flower, maybe a chocolate, jump, say thank you. jump like you got this free completely. That's a part of money. So whatever form money is coming, even if you get say cashback of 5 rupees, you get say refund of 5 rupees, और somebody comes घर पे आते हैं ना अपने जो 11 रुपए 21 रुपए एनवलप में डाल के दे जाते हैं. Whatever way you're getting money, if you're getting money, say thank you, say I love you, and be present to that, and realize that this is happening because you are clearing the path of money. Keep doing it for 21 days. Try it out at least 21 times every day for 21 days and see the result. If you can do 108 times, nothing like it. And come back and share it with me. What is this technique doing to you? How much money you attracted? If you attracted it, share it with me. Share it with me. I love reading results. I enjoy results more than anything else. So this Ho'oponopono which I taught you is just tip of the iceberg. We have a complete course on it, which is called Ho'oponopono Healer Certification Course. Out of that, first lesson is the most powerful lesson of that course. I'm giving you the link in description. You please register on it. It is absolutely free. This is a gift from me to you, where you will experience tears of joy, where Mitesh teaches advanced Ho'oponopono, and you will experience tears of joy. Attend this 90-minute session, which is absolutely free, by registering on the link which is provided in description window.